Back in the day, yo, as we learned, a man was not considered to be Has he not gone beyond the hills? Has he not crossed the 7 seas?
Yes, 7 seas at least.
Now all them jokers kept around just like a scarecrows in hometown.
Yes, scarecrows in hometown.
From screen to screen, them traveling. But I'm a wanderlust king. I stay on the run. Yeah, run. Let me out. Let me be gone. In the world, beat up Rosalind. I so knew history of a time. New history of Siberian woods breaking up their neck. Chinese moving in, building discotheques. Trans-Siberian sex toys and whatnot. Yeah, why not? Oh well, at least it's something different from what they got in every other airport. Я не еврей, но кое-что похоже.
Okay, so apparently the town of Boston ran out of money, so the bricks are every other space now instead of all of them. Look at, they're skipping spaces. Oh, but oh look, what's this? This is so random. Oh my God, look. Okay, and now it skips again, and now it's back to normal. Yeah.
No, it's not back to normal yet, Rob, because you know why?
Think about it.
Because if you look over here, it goes back to the gray and red. Oh, it's on video. Alright. Well, it goes back to normal. And now it's yellow? Because, look at the sign.
Are we making a video?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is awkward.
Say hi. Hi. Would you like
we don't know what to do.
We're gonna follow this yellow brick road.
Go this way and hope it's right.
Follow the yellow brick again. There it is.
And here's the brick line.
Yeah.
The previous part of Beer's house because of construction and people shooting his butt.
I know.
All I see is Rob's butt right now.
Okay, so we're almost done with the Freedom Trail. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but we're really pissed because we have no idea where we're going. And there's a giant puddle right there.
That's not a puddle, that's a lake. Oh,
good idea. All right, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna backtrack. So you step in the snow.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna try not to get hit by cars while we're doing this. That's like a lake, guys. Okay, and we're back on the Freedom Trail. You're looking at Tori's feet right now, covered in snow. We only have 2 things left, the USS Constitution and the Bunker Hill Monument. And let me just say that this Freedom Trail thing is a bitch.